Hey, Mr. Power Drive, what you've got for me?
Today I want to show you the difference between 3 screws that for the layman would pretty much be the same because they're of the same size, pretty much the same length, so you would think that they would produce the same thing. Well, you're going to install it and you're going to be able to see that it's not going to produce what you think.
Can't wait to try it.
All right, we're going to start with this one.
All right.
Go for it. Next one, the STR. The LVL is the last one.
Done.
So you saw that the LVL was quite a bit denser, right?
Yeah, that was a bit tougher.
All right. Is it solid? Is it together?
Very tight.
Just one screw. With this one, how about this one?
Solid.
All right. How about this one?
Not so much.
Not so much. So 3 screws that are virtually the same size will produce very different results.
Yeah.
All right. If you want to use this one here, it's not going to work. If you want this one here, it's not going to work. And if you use this one to do either this or that, it's not going to work.
So what's the purpose of this one?
Well, the purpose of that is something like this. When you have a smaller piece into a bigger piece. Try it out.
All right, give me some room, please.
So, solid?
Very, very solid.
All right. So you see now that virtually the same screw, same size, just a difference in the way the thread is applied to it will produce very different results. And that's what Power Drive is all about.
Power Drive is smart and strong, like Mr. Power Drive.